Wondering what your competitors have been up to the last few weeks or what they might be up to next week? If you're looking to get campaigns recommendations on autopilot, you're in the right place. The insights section on Panoramata is here exactly to help you achieve this. Think of it as your own AI agents ready to help you and analyze every single marketing campaign your competitors have done to help you get the most of all this competitive intelligence data. The first time you do log in, do this. Click on the Create Insights button and choose if you'd like to create advertising recommendations, email marketing recommendations, or content calendar recommendations. Of course, you can do the three of them at the same time. Ta-da! It just gave me some recommendations on campaigns I should create as a hair care company based exactly on what my competitors have done in their email marketing strategy. So, once that you've created all the insights you needed, then the platform is going to tell you what happened recently, all the recent ads your competitors have done, and all the ones that you should probably do and anticipate because those are the ones your competitors might launch in the next few weeks for the ads, the emails, and again, their content marketing calendar. One cool thing here, you can create custom insights as well. If you click here, create insights, create your own custom insight. Here, it's basically an AI prompt that we're going to apply on every single email ad published by your competitors every single week. Here's a cool example. I'm on this pet food group of companies, and here's my prompt. Highlight if they're mentioning pet diseases in their marketing. And every week, Panoramata is giving me all the campaigns mentioning pet diseases by this group of companies. I have a last surprise here. On the platform, you can define which company is your company so we can tailor the recommendations for you. Here, under Select Your Company, you can pick which one of these pet food companies is actually yours. You just have to hit select. And now the platform understands what you have done versus what your competitors have done too, and is able to provide you with insights tailored for you. It also scores your marketing strategy based on the data that we've collected against your competitors and give you proper campaigns recommendations and ways to improve your own marketing strategy as well.